Is it focused on me?
No.
Oh my
brother. No.
This is freaking annoying, dude. This song makes me want to like...
Yeah, just be like...
Come on, camera, just focus. Come on, get it together. Oh my god, I literally went to start my video and I did it. I'm gonna go get a light because... Wow, okay. Alexa, stop. Alright, actually that helped so much. I'm so stupid. What's up guys, it's me. Obviously, I'm aware I look like a complete toe and my alarm keeps beeping. So, also, I just wanted to wear a hoodie and have my hair up and not do eyeliner because I'm just not feeling it lately. So that's just what's gonna happen. So today I'm doing my Q&A. I asked you guys questions like a week and a half ago and I'm barely doing it because something got in the way. We're just gonna answer all these questions. And I'm gonna be very blunt with my answers. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm just gonna answer and not be a little brat about it. This won't stay up. Shut up. At what age did you know you were gay and were you nervous to tell your parents or did you know they would have no problem with it? I knew when I was around 9, I'll say. And I was nervous to tell my parents just because I didn't know how they would react or if they would believe me because from like age 13 and under, I was like boy crazy, you could say, and I thought they wouldn't believe me because I had been with, I say with because like they weren't really relationships, half like 90% of them, but yeah, I was just afraid they wouldn't believe me. They do believe me and they're cool with it and they're supportive, so I'm very, very grateful for that. What's your biggest fear? My biggest fear is just like being alone, and I'm not just saying in like a relationship wise, I'm just saying like overall, like just imagine just everyone gone. Explain it, but it's just like the fear of being alone. It makes sense to me. I don't know. Who was the last person you held hands with? Last person I held hands with was Lotus. Opinion on whole aerial chaos. I don't know what it is or what it was because this was a week ago, but I have no idea what it is. I don't really care about her either, so. Can you do a video about outfits or something, like switching styles for a week, or have your mom pick your outfits? I am gonna do like outfit of the week videos because school starts really soon. I am gonna do like a back to school haul and like try-on of all my clothes because I am coming back with a bang. I am going to have so many new clothes and like a new style because I've just been into this type of style, which you'll see, and I don't see it fading anytime soon, so I'm really excited for that. What college you want to go to? I have no idea. I don't know anything about college right now, which I do need to figure out this year because it's my junior year and I need to get it together and figure out what college I want to go to and where to apply and what I want to major in, but as of right now I don't really know anything. And this one's also about what are your college plans and do you feel like YouTube will be a part of that life? I don't know what my college plans are. I am going to go to college 100%. I am not going to not attend college. I am going to go, and YouTube will be a part of that life. Maybe not as much or maybe even more. I don't know yet, but I know I'm not gonna go off of YouTube until who knows, you know. I hope this doesn't get taken the wrong way, but what's your sexuality? I'm a lesbian. There's not much to it. What are your guilty pleasures? I don't really have any. I don't know. I don't think I have any. I would like to know if you have any idea what job would you like to have in your future career. I either want to be like a lawyer or a surgeon, and if not that, then something completely different. I don't know. What is your biggest pet peeves? People walking slow. I hate that. I know a lot of people hate that, but it just especially annoys me and I just cannot stand it in the slightest. Who's your favorite sibling? I don't have a favorite sibling. I feel like it'd be kind of messed up to pick one, and also I love them equally and they all get on my nerves at one point or another. I don't have a favorite sibling. What's your favorite Panic at the Disco song? But It's Better If You Do. That one's a really good one. Or Trade Mistakes. How did you know you were gay? So I actually had this realization literally yesterday. The first guy I was ever with, I say with because it was 2nd grade, he had very feminine features. And I am gonna have a whole video on it on like when I realized like, bitch, you don't like guys, but I'm gonna do a whole video on that. But I did like know like literally not even that long ago, like a year ago. Just figured it out when I was like 14 and a half. I was like, hun. What's one thing you like most about each of your sisters? I'm gonna go in order from like oldest to youngest, which is Pumbaa, Sonia, Celine. Pumbaa, or Evelyn, whatever you want to call her. I like that I can tell her anything and she could tell me anything and we trust each other with that. Sonia, that she's sensitive, and Celine, that you can mess with her and she'll like equally mess with you back. Obviously she's sensitive too. What are some of your favorite YouTubers and what are your favorite types of videos to watch? Some of my favorite YouTubers are Sydney Lavin. She is like my top favorite right now. I binge watch her videos. She is hands down one of my favorite YouTubers right now. David Dobrik, Joanna Sadia, Lex and Tati, Shane Dawson, Mac Does It, Corinne and Skylar, Jordan Cunningham. Who was I binge watching the other day? I was binge watching someone. Abby Glover. I love her so much. Her originals are literally everything. Jenna Marbles. I'm so stupid. I love Jenna. And my favorite types of videos to watch are like random ones. Like legit, everything I watch is pretty random because they just upload what they want. And I like that. I like the people that just like upload whatever they want and they don't really have a certain thing that they upload. How do you balance YouTube with life? It's not hard, but it is. I don't really know how to explain this one. It's like, it's harder for some people, and for me, since I'm younger, it's not as hard. But I'm in summer right now, so obviously it's not as hard right now. But once I go back to school, I know it's going to be really difficult. So it's hard to like make time. I think that's the hardest part about it. But I balance it by just like doing it on the weekends when I'm in school. But during summer, I just kind of do it whenever I want. Favorite horror movie and TV show? My favorite horror movie would have to be The Conjuring. A lot of people consider The Conjuring to be a horror movie, but I don't consider it to be a horror movie because it's not scary to me anymore, and I know every word. So if I were to pick one that I'm scared of, it would be Insidious, the first one. And my favorite show is The Office and MasterChef. Do you speak Spanish fluently? I don't speak it fluently, but I can understand it. Like, you can have a full-on, you could tell me a whole life story in Spanish, and I will understand everything, but I won't speak it. I don't like speaking it. I'm just insecure about it, but I just don't like to. It's stupid, I know, but I just don't like it, and I'm like insecure about how I sound. Sorry if it's too personal, but is your biological father in your life? If so, what's your relationship? But my biological father is in my life. I'm actually gonna see him in like 2 weeks or something. Our relationship's really good. There's nothing negative about it. There never has been, in my opinion, and with Evelyn too. So yeah, we're chilling, we're good. What's your favorite song at the moment? My favorite song at the moment would have to be Goodbyes by Post Malone, Spring Has Sprung by the Skeggs, or Wish You Were Gay by Billie Eilish. What's your favorite movie? Right now it's Coraline and Corpse Bride. I'm sorry, I never pick one of anything. It's a problem I have. I can never just pick one. If you ask me one song, I'm gonna give you 3. You ask me one movie, I'm gonna give you 2, like I just did right now. I don't know why, I just always do it. I just can't pick one. But my favorite movies right now are Coraline and Corpse Bride. I've just been rewatching those movies since like the beginning of July. I don't even know why. What languages do you want to learn? I kind of want to learn German and Russian. Favorite sushi? It would have to be salmon, which is weird because I used to hate raw salmon on top of sushi, but now I literally, like, that's my favorite. So it would have to be with raw salmon and then just like a California roll or whatever. At what time in your life did you feel at your lowest and most highest? And most importantly, what is something you are looking forward to in the near future? This is from Jubilee. My mom knows her, so shout out to her. I don't know her, but I know of her, but my mom knows her. The time I felt at my lowest would have to be when I was homeschooled, just because I was so isolated and I knew I messed up, and so being stuck at home just literally rethinking my mistakes over and over wasn't a good feeling. And my highest would have to be this year, like 2019 overall. It was a good year. I had lots of fun experiences, and I also went back to school. My life really did start to look up after 2019, like January 2019. My life was good, and I kind of had like a bump this month. Reason I'm not gonna get into it, but yeah, I'm still kind of like, you know, but we're getting there. I'm still good. We're feeling good. So that's probably when I was at my highest. And something that I'm looking forward to in the near future is probably graduating. Being an adult is scary. I don't have that long until I'm gonna like go to college and move out. I think growing up. I'm scared to grow up, but I'm also excited to grow up. I don't know. It doesn't make sense, but it makes sense. I say that a lot. It doesn't make sense, but it makes sense. I don't know why okay, moving on. What is your least favorite food to eat with your mom? 100% it would just have to be anything unhealthy, because I hate saying no to my mom and I feel bad, which I have been lately, because your girl has abs right now. Like, abs are peeking through hard. and I love it. And so when I have to eat with her, I'm just like, I'm doing good. Like, no, I don't want to. But like when I do say yes, I obviously do have times where I eat what I want. I don't completely restrict myself. And will you ever get a social media account like Snapchat, Instagram, etc.? I don't know. As of right now, I really don't know. Maybe sometime mid-junior year, senior year, I don't know. It's not like a huge big deal to me. It would be nice to have social media, but it's not something that like I can't live without. What do you hate the most about what people say about your zodiac sign? I hate that they say that we're like very like overdramatic and territorial. I mean, yeah, we can be like that. I'm a Leo, in case you don't know, I'm a Leo. And that we're like, I don't know, hard to deal with. I don't know, I've just heard it and I'm just like, no. Like, yeah, at times, but not all the time. Like, don't think of me like that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Spill the tea. Are you dating the girl from your school? Yes, the girl that you guys saw in my videos in the past, we were together. If you couldn't tell from the videos, yeah, we were together, past tense. We are no longer together. What colleges do you have in mind? None. What scared you the most about growing up? It would definitely be money. Money is stressful. How many kids do you want? As of right now, I don't really want kids. Like, in the future, I do not see myself having kids. I don't know why, I just can't see it. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you? I would definitely live in Seattle. What is your favorite video you've made? I think it would have to be like my random videos, just because it's like me being me. What's your favorite Starbucks order? I don't really go to Starbucks. Like, it's not something that I do daily. But if I do go, I get an Americano. Me and my mom share an Americano because that legit like hits you hard and quick, and I love it. But if I go and I'm just like chilling, I don't know, I get like just like a iced coffee with almond milk instead of like creamer. Looking forward to this next school year, and least looking forward to. I'm looking forward to, like, I guess because I didn't go to school freshman year. I went into sophomore year completely blind. I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know the school. I didn't know anybody. And this year, I guess I just kind of am like more prepared, and I know like the feeling of going back to school. So I am looking forward to like knowing what's going on. And least looking forward to, because it's like my junior year. Junior year is like the hardest year, and everybody just kind of like flops, and I'm just like, I'm stressing about that. So I'm not looking forward to that. At what age do you want to have kids? I don't want to. What nationality are you? I'm Mexican. I'm just gonna say I'm Mexican. Mexican American. Do you have a specific date on when you post? No. I upload when I want, which isn't good. I do try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Or Monday and Friday, or Wednesday and Friday. And is it true you are gay? Yes. Do you have social media? No, I don't. I have TikTok, but like I don't upload on it. I just watch TikToks all day. If you could dye your hair any crazy color, what color would you dye it? I am gonna dye it. When my hair grows out, I'm gonna dye it like a darkish purple ombre type thing. It's not a crazy color, but I'd dye it purple. Do you listen to Billie Eilish? If so, what's your favorite song or last song of hers you listen to? I do listen to Billie Eilish a lot. And I think my favorite song would have to be Bitches Broken Hearts or Wish You Were Gay. Those two are like definitely my top two. Do you watch Madison mukbang? I don't really watch mukbangs. I know, which is weird because like I mukbang, I guess you could say, but I don't watch them. I only watch them when I'm like super hungry, and if I do watch mukbangs, it's not like a mukbang. It's an ASMR, and it's always like Zach Choi ASMR and ASMR fan. What do you like most about yourself? I think it would have to be my smile, because before my smile was so bad. I did make videos before I had braces, and my teeth were very crooked. If you have crooked teeth, it's fine. I'm not bashing you, but me personally, I did not love it. And so I think it would have to be my smile, just because it's like straight and like it's cool. And yeah, that would probably be what I like most about myself, is my smile. Those are all the questions. I'm sweating. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I exposed myself. Not really, but I did, but I didn't. And yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.